Hey, what's up? So if you wanted to put motion in your pictures on Instagram and making it look like this, well, on this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, and I will show you step by step. Okay, so in order to do this, you have to get an app. You have to pay either $4.99 or $5.99. Can't really remember. But if you're using an iPhone, you can easily go to the App Store, and then using an Android, of course, you can go to the Google Store or whatever you use. So go get the go to the Apple Store. To the App Store, and then you have to search for this app called Plotagraph. I think I'm saying it wrong, right? I don't know how to say it. And then when you get the app, you're gonna open it, and then in the middle you're gonna where it says where it has this plat signal, you're gonna press that and choose your picture. And it's really easy to use this app, honestly. You only to like once you get used to it, you won't start playing with it. So after, like, your picture is gonna look like this. So you see all the purple thing, that's pretty much you highlighting the, what you don't want it to move, and the arrow is pretty much the places that you want it and the direction of the part of the picture that you want it to move. So they even have this anchor thing, but it's pretty much work as the mask. But I never use the anchor because I feel it's better to do the mask. You can easily zoom it in if you have like tight spots, or you can easily zoom it out to see it. So, and then you have here, like, you can press play and to see how it will look, and if you miss a spot, you can easily spot it, and you can even zoom it in just to make sure that you don't miss a spot. And actually, this is another thing that I like about this app. Now you can select the speed of the movement. So you see right now 106.9, but I can slow it down and it goes slower, and I can make it faster, which to me that's way too fast and that's way too slow. So, well, I guess it depends on the picture, but it's whatever you like. So yeah, you can choose the picture, and then after that, you can choose the speed, and after that you just put a chair, and then you have this is the thing that I like about it, that you have all the apps that you can think of. You have Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. I haven't really tried on Facebook, so I don't really know how it works, but or Snapchat. So all you do is get it into Instagram, and then it's pretty much just making a video. But on Instagram, it's gonna play by itself, if I'm not mistaken. That's for everybody. So when you upload it to Instagram, it automatically is gonna start moving, and everybody's gonna be surprised. So even though you have to pay for this app, I think it's really worth it. $5 it's not really that much money, so I think it's worth it. And like I said, when you start playing with it, you're gonna have a lot of fun, and you're gonna start trying to do a lot of your pictures. And that was me. Like, the first day I got it, I was playing with it for like 5 hours, and I was trying like all my pictures. So anyways, I hope you like this video, and hopefully you find it helpful. So thanks for watching.